Hello and welcome. Are you and your spouse working together in a business or thinking about it? I am Petero Wamala, and for nearly 30 years I ran a business with my wife, Lori, and I know the joy, the silent tears, and the triumphs that come with being business partners and life partners simultaneously. This course, how couples can work and win together in a business, is designed to help you define roles without rivalry, manage money without conflict, communicate effectively, handle in-law and family pressures, plan for succession and build a lasting legacy. And most importantly, keep love alive while you grow your business. Whether you are just starting out or have been in business for years, you'll find practical tools and powerful stories, as well as reflection exercises to strengthen both your marriage and your enterprise. Enroll today following the link below. I'll see you inside the course. Thank you.